Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We have a CoinDesk article that we're going to go over, and then we're going to take a look at the charts. Bitcoin did break below one of our support lines as per our previous video a couple, probably about 3 or 4 days ago. Kind of spreading it out here just so that way you can see what kind of plays out in the market. Now we are hitting some resistance, and we're going to see if we can break through on the Bitcoin charts. But we're taking a look at the EIP update with Ethereum that is going to be taking place, I believe, in the next couple days, or probably even today, I think, or something like that too. So we'll take a look at this article by CoinDesk, take a look at Ethereum charts and Bitcoin charts too as well, and go ahead and stick around. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, folks. Hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel as we progress through the rest of 2021 to see what we have left in store for us. And don't forget to join us on our private page through Patreon. We make sure to update you 24/7, but you want to also have a Discord username that you can attach to Patreon. So once you get done subscribing to our Patreon, you'll get access to the Discord server with a private category and a role assigned to you there. So make sure that you go ahead and link your Discord with your Patreon, and that way you can get all set up once you get subscribed. And yeah, let's take a look here. So Ether is let me see, I've been running into some issues here trying to get this all set back up once again, so just give me some patience. But yeah, Ethereum prints record winning streak as London hard fork looms. And let's see what we have here. Ether looks to extend the record daily winning streak, running up a planned upgrade to Ethereum's blockchain that could significantly reduce the currency's supply growth. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap was trading 1.6% higher on the day, near $2,600 at press time. Yeah, and so it looks like we are seeing a 12 straight daily green candles here for Ethereum on Ethereum's daily chart. If we are to kind of zoom in here, it's going to take us right to trading view. Yeah, if we are kind of to zoom in here, you can see that Ethereum is putting in quite a few daily green candles here to possibly break through some resistance as well. So we'll take a look at our charts and see what that kind of looks like. EIP 1559 will be active. An active mechanism that would burn a portion of the fees paid to miners once it takes effect. Increased network usage will result in higher amount of ETH being burned, which would decrease the supply of Ethereum. So let's see if we have a date here anywhere. I want to say that this is going to be happening pretty soon. I'm pretty sure it's actually today. I don't have an exact date here, just to let's see. Yeah, well, I think that this is going to be obviously affecting the price too as well. So if you're an Ethereum hodler, you can probably expect quite a bit of a nice move here, as the rest of the crypto markets like to kind of move in tandem with Ethereum and Bitcoin prices too as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do is jump on over into the Bitcoin charts and take a look at Ethereum too as well. All right, folks, so we're going to take a look at Bitcoin first. As of right now, Bitcoin is hovering right at about the $58,000 area. So we did see a price break to the downside after we broke through one of our resistance trend lines here on our daily chart. But what we can kind of notice is, if I kind of zoom in here, I'm going to take a look at the 6-hour time frame and go from there. Our 6-hour time frame did have this nice support for us. If we are to zoom in here, we were steadily stair climbing here. I said in our previous video, if we do break support here, expect probably a little bit of a downtrend, and exactly that's what happened. We broke through our resistance line, and now or our support line, and we've had a little bit of a sell-off. So now what we're doing is waiting for our lower time frames to start consolidating out to the side. And what we can see from that is that we are now putting in some resistance. If we are to zoom in possibly to our 4-hour time frame, it does look like we are having a little bit of resistance overhead for us as of right now. So we have a trend line drawn out for some resistance overhead, probably waiting for Bitcoin to kind of move sideways. It looks like on our 4-hour we are making a nice little support at the 100 EMA, which is our red EMA line here for us too as well. But yeah, I wanted to also kind of browse at MarketCypher. MarketCypher on the 4-hour does look like it's starting to put in a green dot on the momentum wave, but money flow still headed to the downside. Our higher time frames, we really don't have much to worry about. I think we're just kind of waiting for the recovery on our lower time frames here for the most part. Probably waiting to break through some of this resistance here at this resistance trend line that we are in a downward sloping pattern as of right now. One of the key takeaways that I also wanted to look at when it comes to the Bitcoin price action was the hash ribbons, and I have noticed that the hash ribbons are still steadily trying to make a recovery here. So if we are to get a buy signal on the hash ribbons, that would be a nice indication that we will be continuing further up to the upside here. So let's take a look at Ethereum, see what's happening with ETH here. Let me jump on over into ETH for us. Let's see, I haven't taken a look at ETH in a while, but as you can see here on the daily chart, we are making support at the $1,600 area. We are still getting a nice move up here, and it does look like it's kind of put in that same upward sloping pattern that we've seen on Bitcoin. Did we break through that resistance? It looks like we are kind of just headed sideways as of right now. So we could have drawn something like that maybe, and said that Bitcoin, well, as Bitcoin also sold off, Ethereum's kind of moved out to the side too as well. Although what I'm noticing on Ethereum is our 4-hour chart here still has a pretty nice green money flow to it for the most part on MarketCypher. So MarketCypher is still showing us quite a bit of bullish pressure here, at least bullish volume when it comes to money inflowing into this Ethereum project too as well. Daily chart still looks relatively bullish for the most part. Have we gotten our buy signals on our higher time frames with Ethereum? Yeah, all the way up until our 5-day chart too as well. I do believe that we are still waiting on a weekly buy signal when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So if we jump back over into Bitcoin, we haven't quite gotten the buy signal just yet for Bitcoin on the weekly chart, but that's what we're waiting for. I'm sure once we get that weekly buy signal on Ethereum or Bitcoin, you'll both see them run in tandem with each other to give us a nice push to the upside there on the weekly pattern and the weekly chart too as well. So folks, this is going to do it for today. Like I said, if y'all are interested in joining our private trading group page, then make sure you join us over on Patreon. You can get access to all of the alts that we're accumulating and a little bit more information on a daily basis too as well. Just make sure that you have a Discord username that you can attach to your Patreon account, so that way you can get access right away once you sign up. And then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, folks, so that way y'all can stay up to date each and every single day. And yeah, we'll probably come back in a couple days here once Bitcoin starts to break through some of its resistance lines and maybe move sideways. Then we get that buy signal on the hash ribbons and waiting for that weekly buy signal on Bitcoin and Ethereum too as well. So without further ado, folks, I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.